Are you a fan of beef tongue or lengua? In today's video, I'm sharing how to make beef tongue stew or lengua guisada using your Instant Pot. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Nadia and this is Nashi Food, where I teach you how to make Latin-inspired recipes at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Cooking beef tongue is really easy. If you want to know more about how to cook it, check the link in the description box where I'll show you the video on how I tenderize that meat before making the stew. My favorite way of cooking beef tongue is using the Instant Pot or my pressure cooker. Remember to check the description box for the recipe ingredients and a link to our printable recipe. Let's start by prepping our ingredients. Chop our onions, dice up our potatoes and carrots, and also our culantro leaves. When chopping your potatoes and carrots, make sure to chop them roughly the same size so they cook evenly. In our Instant Pot, we're going to select the saute function. Once you get the hot message, you will add the oil and we're going to saute the onions, garlics and culantro leaves until the onions are soft and are starting to change color. Now let's add the tomato puree, the Worcestershire sauce, the salt, and mix everything together. Add your chopped potatoes, carrots and the broth. A tip here, when I cook beef tongue, I normally reserve the stock, and it's always a great idea to freeze it and use it for a later date. And at last, add the beef tongue slices on top. Cancel the saute function. Cover your Instant Pot, move your bulb to the ceiling position and select the high pressure function and set the timer to 5 minutes. This is the time needed to cook the carrots and the potatoes. Once the time is up, let the pressure release naturally for 5 or 10 minutes and then quick release to remove all of the pressure from the Instant Pot. Uncover your pot. If you see there's too much liquid, you can select the saute function and let the sauce reduce to your liking. In my case, it took me around 5 minutes. Serve it with some white rice, a side of coleslaw, and garnish it with some culantro leaves and enjoy. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to make beef tongue stew using your pressure cooker. Remember, the full printable recipe is on my website, nashifood.com, and if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below. If you would like to try other Instant Pot recipes, check out my playlist. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep sharing your love for food. Bye! Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.